So welcome back guys. I hope you are clear with the operators. So we are going to start today with our very first set of operators, that are arithmetic operators. Now arithmetic operators are also divided into three classes, that are integer arithmetic, then real arithmetic, and then mixed arithmetic. First of all, let's see what are exactly arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are basically mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo. These are our arithmetic operators. Be cautious. Here this is not a or and this is not an asterisk. In computer language there are few set or few words that you will have to define differently from the English language. Here in computer language this is not an asterisk, not a star. This is a multiplication, and this is subtraction, not a dash, not a line, not an hyperlink. And this is a division, not a slash. This is a division, then this is addition, and the last one is not percentage, it's modulo. So be careful: multiplication, subtraction, division, addition, and modulo. There are few set of combinations of these symbols itself which transforms its meaning, but we will understand it later. But for now, if they are used singly, solely, if they are single, then they defines these operations. Okay, so these are known as operators. So these are our operators. Now let's see what are integer arithmetic. So integer arithmetic is basically a combination of operators, integer operands, and integer result. Wait, what are operands? Operands are nothing. Operands are those things that are used with operators, variables that are used with operators. For example, if we take 55 plus 22 equals to 77. Here we see that we are using two operators. These are our two operators. Actually, equals to will not come under operator. So let's take example as this much only. So this is our one operator, arithmetic operator. This is our variable. But what is the type of variable? It is an integer variable. So this is called as integer arithmetic. This variable is also an integer. So combination of these both things is known as integer arithmetic. Similarly for real arithmetic, if we include numbers, decimal numbers, then it is integer arithmetic. This is real variable. This is also real variable. This is real arithmetic. Now the thing is, this will be not called as real variable. You guys may have remembered that we have learned double and float. So this may be double or float variable. Double or float variable. So combination of double or float variable and with an operation, with an operator is known as real arithmetic. Now mix this integer variable plus double or float variable. That is our mixed arithmetic. Here these are known as operands. This is operator. Addition symbol is operator. The terms used with addition operator is operands, and these are the types of arithmetics. So I hope arithmetic operator is clear. There is one note over here. In mixed type of arithmetics, you cannot use the modulo operator. You cannot use the modulo operator in the mixed type of arithmetic. Be careful about it. So what if you have an integer arithmetic and both the um, so what if you have both the integer variables but you get answer as integer? That's very obvious. But what if you have integer variable and double or float variable and you get answer as integer variable? So that's so the answer will be converted as per your resultant memory. If you have defined your resultant memory as integer, then answer will be only the integer part. If your defined is float, then answer will be up to 14 decimal place, and if you have defined it as double, answer will be till 6 decimal place. So if you are real and you have 0.5 plus 0.2, if you have defined it as if you have defined the resultant as resultant memory where you are going to store your resultant as integer variable, so you have created the memory with int keyword, so the answer or output will be or the value stored in the memory will be only 0 because our answer comes over here as 0.7 and you have defined the memory as only integer memory. So I hope you have learned how much important it is to understand or be alert while creating the memory and be cautious while creating the memory. I hope you understand the arithmetic operators and the types of the arithmetic. So that's it for now. In the next lecture, we will move towards our next operator. So thank you very much. Meet you tomorrow.